In this video, I will be showing you how to remove webmail account linked in Outlook. So let's get started with the video. In Outlook dashboard, you can see here, this is my webmail account linked with Outlook. mona@designopage.com. To remove this webmail account from Outlook, first click the settings icon in the top bar of this page. And next, in this page, you will see all the email accounts added here. To delete the webmail, you need to click the Manage button. And next, in the email accounts page, you will need to click the Remove button. And again here, have the option to remove webmail account from only this device, or from all the devices. And done, the webmail account connected with Outlook has been removed completely. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.